Guys, Skewb here, and for today's video we have a Skewb tutorial. Guys, so I'm going to try to divide this step by step. So step 1 is obviously get a Skewb. Second step would be to scramble your Skewb, so just go ahead and scramble it up. Don't worry, you'll learn how to solve it. So once that your Skewb is scrambled, what you're going to try to do is to get the corners into the face. So it's basically just solving a face. And you do that by finding the corners and trying to insert them. For example, I see this corner here. So if I do this move, the corner will be inserted up here. If I do this move, this corner will be inserted there. Then if I do okay, so I insert this corner, I see that this one will be turned around. So there are two cases that you'll have. The first one is this one, where the corner is looking right in front of you. So you solve that by doing this. So you rotate it in such a way that it is looking to your side. And so observe the moves that I will make. You make it go away from the collar. Okay, so if it was here, you try and move it away from the collar. Then you return it to the collar and you rotate this back. So as you can see, we solved that. And there's also another case that you can have, which is this one, where the white corner, well, we're solving white in this case, where the corner is looking to your side. So to solve that, it's pretty much the same as the one we did before, but with our moves. So you do this, then you do that. Please make sure you observe the moves, because that's like the hardest part in Skewb, to get used to the moving. So after you solve your face, you solve your corners. So in this case, opposite of white and the 3x3 is yellow. So you have to solve the yellow corners, and there's only two OLLs that you can get, and they're solved pretty much the same way. So in this case, this is a pie case here. And to solve it, you will need sledgehammer. So here, sledgehammer is executed a little bit different. So observe the moves that I'm about to do. For tutorial purposes and stuff, I'm just going to show you how to solve a face. Okay, so you have your corners fixed. Now what you're going to try to do is to get this up here. And to do that, you're going to put this behind you. Like this, right behind you, at your back. And then, you'll do double sledgehammer. You'll do what we just did, but twice. So it's this move over here, this move over here, here, and here. So that's one time, and the second time you do a Y2, and then this over here, this over here, this over here, this over here, and that would solve your face. Okay? And then you can get three PLL cases, which is this is a U perm, you can get H perm or a Z perm, but they're solved the same way. I'm going to teach you the three of them. So this one is the U perm. As you can see, you have this opposites and this one right to each other. This one's solved. So it's just like a U perm. If you observe it like this, the solved one, opposite, next to each other, and one solved. So what you're going to try to do is to find or position your Skewb in a way that there's a solved face here, a solved face here, and a solved face below you. So if it was like this, I would just have to rotate. You see, a solved face here, a solved face here, and a solved face here. And what you're gonna do is the same exact thing that you did for the Olo. So it's sledgehammer here, rotate, sledgehammer here, and that would solve your Skewb. Okay, so here we have an H-perm. This is what an H-perm looks. And you solve the Z-perm just exactly like this. So what you're going to try to do is the same thing you did as the U-perm. So it's sledgehammer from one side, then the Y2, sledgehammer from this side. And what that does is that it gives you a U-perm. So then you just solve the U-perm. Solved face here, solved face here, solved face below you, U-perm. And that would solve your Skewb. And I guess that is pretty much it. Skewb is a very easy puzzle. It isn't that hard. So I guess that if you practice, you can easily get sub 10 with this method, which is the beginner's method. And if you really want to get deep into it, I'm sure there's way better methods. And if you want that, I just leave it in the comments, and I'm gonna do a complete tutorial on this. So yeah, to start off the year differently, I just wanted to do this, and thank you guys for watching. Comment what you think, and I'll see you next time.